Hey guys, I'm FZ here from the handlers, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the processor from your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, open the case. This may be different for your PC, but you can easily find guides on the internet on how to do it. My PC is an IBM ThinkPad and there are two buttons on the left and right side. So here let me just open it fully. And no, don't fall. Nah. After opening, find the heatsink, and after finding it, there will be a lock that you need to push downwards. And then gently lift up the heatsink. After that, you will find the same lock again and push it downwards again. And then you could lift up the CPU. Now there you go, you now have your processor removed from your PC. So to reassemble it, just reverse the process that I have showed you. So hope you guys like this video and please consider subscribing my channel. And I'm MFZ from the Handlers and I'm signing out.